Hey there, Etsy sellers. If you're looking to freshen up your online presence, changing your profile picture is a quick and easy way to do it. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to update your Etsy profile picture for 2025, using the latest interface updates. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting out, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Etsy account. Open your web browser, head to www.etsy.com, and sign in with your email and password. Once you're in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. It looks like a little person or your current picture. This will take you to your account dashboard. Next, navigate to the Account Settings section. Look for the tab that says Profile or Your Account Details. In 2025, Etsy has made this even more user-friendly, so you should see a clear option for managing your profile photo. Click on that, and you'll be brought to a page where you can view and edit your current picture. Now, for the fun part, uploading your new photo. Click on the Change Picture or Upload New Photo button. You'll be prompted to select a file from your computer. Choose a high-quality image that's at least 500 by 500 pixels for the best results. Remember, a clear and professional photo can really boost your shop's appeal. After selecting your photo, you might have the option to crop or adjust it, so take a moment to make sure it looks just right. Once you're happy with your selection, hit the Save or Update button. Etsy will process the change, and your new profile picture should appear almost instantly. Double-check by going back to your profile page to ensure everything's updated correctly. A quick tip: always use a photo that represents you or your brand positively, and avoid anything blurry or unprofessional. If you run into any issues, Etsy's Help Center is a great resource. There you have it. Changing your Etsy profile picture in 2025 is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Etsy tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.